Today's topic is Africa continents. The chapter 14 Africa continents, and today we will talk about the location of Africa continents. Okay. In latitudinally, Africa continents is 37 degree north to 35 degree south. This is the latitudinal extension of Africa continents, and the longitudinally it is 18 degree west to 51 degree east. So this is the latitudinal and the longitudinal extension of African continents. And so many terms used about Africa continents, like this is termed Africa continent is termed as hottest continents, plateau continents, dark continents, last expanded continent. These types of term used about the African continents, and every term is the meaningful because the equator, yes, so the equator is passing through the African continents. Okay, that's why everybody know that the equatorial regions is very hot, and the sun is always shining from the top of our head. That's why this continent is called the hottest continents. And another thing is the African continents is made by ancient rock. That's why the term plateau regions is very meaningful for the African continents because it's made up of the ancient rock. That's why this continent is called the plateau continents. Yes, and another thing is if you want to live or go to Africa and wants to live there, so you will be faced so many problems because this is the world's hottest regions. Yes, and the most of the hottest desert situated in these areas. That's why this area is very difficult for living. Yes, the world's largest desert, Sahara, is situated in that regions. Yes, and this regions is most of these African countries is situated in the coastal regions because the African continents is also a peninsula continents because three side is the surrounded by the water bodies. That's why the most of African continents is situated the coastal regions, and the equatorial areas. That's why these areas vegetation is extensive. Yes, for that regions there is so many trees and many types of trees like shade types of trees and the big types of shade, herb types of shade. Every types of trees are there. That's why this continents is also termed as the dark continents because the density of the forest is uh, the density of forest is the so many. That's why the heat, or not only the heat, the light of the sun is not coming properly in the land side where the extensive uh, forest is situated. That's why the African continent is also termed as the dark countries. In African continent, so many rivers, waterfalls, that's all are the situated in that place, and in the African African extensive equatorial forest regions, there are so many harmful insect, flies, that's are the having in that regions. They are very dangerous and the poisonous also. And Africa's most important river is Congo, and there is a important waterfalls that is very popular in the worldwide, that is the Victoria Falls. This falls is discovered by David Livingstone in 1885. Yes, and another important thing is the prime meridian that is going through the African continents, and this is passing through the capital of Ghana. Okay, so that's why